This is Devin Reed. If you don't know him, then you've been asleep for the last, 10 years? You've done a lot. I just have one quick question. It's my content theme. Devin, you launched The Reader in 2017 while full-time at Eventbrite. And I heard specifically that was to prove to hiring managers you could do content. You used it then to land Gong, where you helped scale from 20 to $200 million. My question, at what point does a side hustle designed to prove you can do a job become bigger than the job you're trying to get?
Well, that's a good question. You can cut my pause out. That's a very thoughtful question. I would say like, it started out as me just wanting to get skills because no one would hire me for it, right? It's like I wanted to move into marketing, but I was a sales guy and no CMO was gonna like look at my resume and be like, oh, zero marketing experience, let me take you on. So that's why I launched it. I would say once I kind of realized that the side job was bigger, there became this point where I was like, it's actually irresponsible how little time I'm putting into it.
Yeah.
So, for like whatever it was, 5-7 hours a week, I started making more and more money, enjoying that more than my job, and kind of realizing like, hold on, I'm spending a ton of time over here in my day job, making, good to okay money, and I'm ups and downs of how much I enjoy it. And then over here, I have this like awesome passion project that's actually making me money.
Yeah.
And so that was kind of like step one, but honestly, I kind of had like brand dysmorphia where I kind of couldn't see my own worth sometimes. And so I had a few people come up to me like, hey, it's like, when are you going solo? When are you going solo? I was actually at an event like this, and like 4 or 5 people to ask me that. And I'm
Somebody had one quick question and you were like, now, I guess.
No, I was like, oh, I don't know, that's weird. And then by the 5th person, I'm like, am I the only one who like doesn't see it? And then my wife was like, oh yeah, it's been you. Like, you're the only thing in the way.
Yeah.
So
we learned some stuff here. Autonomy is important, and pettiness can be a great motivator to start a job like Devin did. Thanks, Devin.
thanks, man.